Seed beads are small, colorful beads. They are used for jewelry making and other crafts. Seed beading is a fun and rewarding hobby. You can make beautiful and unique pieces. Seed beading has a rich history. It dates back thousands of years. People around the world have used seed beads. They create intricate designs and adornments. Today, seed beading remains a popular craft. It is enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced beader, there is always something new to learn and create. So gather your materials and get ready to embark on a journey into the wonderful world of seed beading. Seed beads come in a wide variety of types and sizes. The most common types are round seed beads, but you can also find cylindrical, square, and even drop-shaped beads. Seed beads are typically made from glass, but they can also be made from other materials like metal, bone, and plastic. The size of seed beads is measured in a unit called aughts. The higher the aught number, the smaller the bead. For example, a size 15-aught seed bead is much smaller than a size 6-aught seed bead. Some popular types of seed beads include round seed beads. These are the most common type of seed bead and are perfect for a wide range of projects. Cylinder beads. These beads have a uniform cylindrical shape, which makes them ideal for creating even and consistent designs. Square beads. Square seed beads add a unique geometric element to your beadwork. Drop beads. Shaped like a teardrop, these beads are often used as accents or in fringe designs. Having the right tools can make your beading experience much more enjoyable and successful. Here are some essential tools for seed beading. Beading needles. Beading needles are long and thin, with a flexible shaft that makes it easy to pick up and string small beads. Beading thread. Beading thread is available in a variety of materials, including nylon, silk, and cotton. Beading scissors. Small, sharp scissors are essential for trimming thread cleanly. Bead mat. A bead mat provides a non-slip surface to work on and prevents beads from rolling away. Bead soup container. These containers have multiple compartments, making it easy to sort and store beads by color or type. Selecting the right thread for your seed bead project is crucial. The type of thread you choose will depend on the size of your beads and the overall design of your project. Here are a few factors to consider when choosing beading thread. Thread weight. Beading thread comes in different weights or thicknesses. Thread material. Nylon thread is strong and durable, making it a good choice for beginners. Silk thread is known for its strength and drape, making it suitable for intricate beadwork. Color beading thread is available in a wide array of colors to complement your beads. Section 5. Your first seed bead project. A simple bracelet. Let's start with a simple bracelet. This project is perfect for beginners. Materials. Size 8/0 seed beads in your choice of color. Asterisk beading thread. Beading needle. Scissors. Instructions. First, cut a length of beading thread. The length of the thread will depend on the desired length of your bracelet. It's always best to start with a longer piece of thread. Next, thread your needle. Thread one end of the beading thread through the eye of your beading needle. Then pick up your first bead. Hold the needle in your dominant hand and use your other hand to pick up a seed bead. Slide the bead onto the thread. Continue adding beads. Repeat the process of picking up beads and sliding them onto the thread until your bracelet reaches the desired length. After that, attach the clasp. Once you have strung enough beads, attach one part of the clasp to one end of the bracelet. Then, string a few more beads onto the thread to create a loop. Finally, finish the bracelet. To finish the bracelet, thread the needle back through the first few beads you strung. Congratulations! You've just completed your first seed bead bracelet. Section 6. Troubleshooting for beading beginners. Even experienced beaders make mistakes. Here are some common beginner mistakes and how to troubleshoot them. Knots in your thread. To prevent knots, avoid pulling the thread too tightly. If you do get a knot, try using a needle or a pin to gently loosen it. Uneven tension. Uneven tension can make your beadwork look messy. To maintain even tension, try to keep your stitches consistent. Running out of thread. It's always better to start with a longer piece of thread than you think you'll need. If you do run out of thread, simply tie a new thread onto the old thread and continue beading. Section 7. Caring for your beaded treasures. Proper care and maintenance will help your seed bead creations last for years to come. Here are some tips for caring for your beaded treasures. Avoid contact with water. Water can damage some types of seed beads and can weaken thread. Store your beadwork properly. Store your beaded jewelry in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Handle with care. Seed beads are delicate and can break if dropped or handled roughly. Section 8. Expanding your beading horizons. Once you've mastered the basics of seed beading, there are endless possibilities for exploration and creativity. Experiment with different beads. Try using different types and sizes of seed beads to create unique textures and patterns. Explore new stitches. There are countless beading stitches to learn, each with its own unique look and feel. Find inspiration. Look for inspiration in books, magazines, online, and in the world around you. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the joy of beading. Seed beading is a rewarding and enjoyable hobby that allows you to express your creativity. With a little practice, you'll be amazed at the beautiful and intricate pieces you can create. So, gather your materials, find a comfortable spot to work, and let the rhythm of the beads guide your hands as you embark on your seed beading journey.